Okay, so starting off, you want to prep your bread. I usually use pan de agua, which actually is not a vegan bread, so keep that in mind when making your bread choice. I also couldn't find that in my local store this time, so I ended up just choosing a fresh, soft hoagie roll. Then the next step is to spread whatever you like on there. Usually it's mayo and mustard, but I chose to go with an avocado sauce. And then after that, you're going to start layering your Tofurky for the bottom layer. Then next comes the superstar of the sandwich, which is the pernil that I showed you how to make in my last video. So if you need that recipe, I will leave a card for that at the end of this video. Next comes your cheese, which is traditionally going to be Swiss. I used regular cheese, but again, to make this vegan, just swap that out for a vegan Swiss cheese. I just cannot get down with vegan cheese, I'm sorry. So my sandwich was vegetarian, but you know, it's definitely easy to just make those little vegan modifications if that's what you want to do. Follow that up with some pickles, and then as an extra, I topped mine off with a red onion salad. You can also just use red onions if you want to, but this step is definitely optional. Then butter up that bread and put it in a panini press, or use a pan if you don't have one, but you want to get it nice and crispy. I cut it on the diagonal because that's the best way to cut a sandwich, and then enjoy the ooey gooey deliciousness of this Cuban. And that's all for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you try it out. Like always, leave me some recommendations on recipes you'd like to see me recreate next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.